Number 1. 1996 Ford F350, price $9,500, solid example of a heavy-duty pickup built for performance and durability. It's equipped with a powerful big block 460 gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, making it capable both on and off the road. With 299,100 miles on the odometer, it has clearly been used, but it still runs strong and reliably, proving the resilience of these classic workhorses. The truck sports a clean title and features a tan exterior that gives it a rugged, timeless look. Inside, the cabin is functional and ready for the road. One of the standout features is its cold air conditioning, which makes for a comfortable drive even in warmer climates. Sitting on beefy 35-inch tires, it has an aggressive stance and off-road capability to match. Number 2. 1996 Dodge Ram, price $8,500. It has accumulated 280,000 miles and still runs with its original 5.9L 360 V8 engine, a testament to its durability. The previous owner installed a 3.55 Spicer rear end and rebuilt the transmission with upgraded internals. While there is no paperwork to verify the rebuild, the way the truck drives, unusually smooth for a second-generation Dodge with this mileage and its original powertrain, strongly supports the claim. In 2023, the truck underwent a complete cosmetic exterior restoration. The entire body was refinished with a heavy application of clear coat. During the restoration, the suspension was lowered, although it would benefit from a proper axle flip to complete the stance. Brand new 20-inch torque thrust 2 wheels were added, along with fresh tires, enhancing both its look and road presence. Number 3. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, featuring a desirable 350 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. With approximately 201,000 miles on the odometer, the truck still runs and drives exceptionally well. The 350 engine was rebuilt around 50,000 miles ago and is equipped with headers and a full exhaust system. It starts reliably on the first turn of the key and has proven itself on multiple long-distance road trips of 3 to 4 hours without any issues. The exterior is finished in gray, while the interior sports a striking red color combination. The truck sits on classic Cragar SS wheels wrapped in brand new tires, enhancing both its appearance and performance. Though 95% rust-free, there is a small spot of rust on the driver's side rocker panel. Overall, the body will need some work and a new paint job, making this a great project truck for anyone looking to restore or customize a classic. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1968 International Pickup, price $10,000, reliable daily driver that combines classic charm with functional upgrades. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 304 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a true vintage driving experience. The truck is equipped with factory underdash air conditioning, an uncommon and desirable feature for a vehicle of its era. Recently, it has received a complete brake overhaul, including all new brakes, wheel cylinders, and a master cylinder, ensuring safe and confident stopping power. The speedometer currently reads 31,766 miles and continues to climb with regular use. While the fuel and temperature gauges are not working at the moment, the truck remains mechanically solid and roadworthy. Number 5. 1986 Ford F150, price $4,500. With only 64,000 miles on the odometer, this truck features a 5-speed manual transmission and runs on gasoline. It has been upgraded with a motor and transmission sourced from a 1996 F150, which has been converted to a carbureted setup for improved simplicity and reliability. As a true 4x4, this F150 is built for both on-road and off-road performance. It has recently received several key upgrades, including a brand new clutch, pressure plate, and flywheel, ensuring smooth and responsive shifting. The truck also rides on aggressive new mud tires, ready to tackle tough terrain. Both the front and rear differentials have been rebuilt and are equipped with 3.73 lockers, enhancing traction and off-road capability. Number 6. 1979 Dodge D250, price $9,500, well-kept classic with 147,000 miles, featuring a black exterior and black interior. It runs and drives great, powered by a gasoline engine and automatic transmission. Mechanically, the truck is in excellent shape with many new parts, including a radiator, heater core and fan, water pump, alternator, fuel pump, brakes, brake booster, master cylinder, starter, and a factory 4-barrel intake with carburetor. It also has upgraded headers and exhaust. The body has been reinforced with new floorboards and rocker panels. Inside, it features new rubber floor mats and a new bench seat, making it both comfortable and ready to drive. Number 7. 1987 Ford F150, price $5,500. It features a 5.0L302 CI V8 gas MFI engine with a 2-valve OHV setup and is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives reliably, with a current odometer reading of 74,000 miles, although the actual mileage may be higher due to daily use. It comes in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline. While it does have some rust, as expected for a vehicle of this age, it remains a solid and dependable ride. The exhaust system will need some attention, but there are no warning or engine lights on. The heater works perfectly, making it comfortable during colder months. The air conditioning system is present but would require a recharge to be functional again. Number 8. 1979 Ford F250, price $6,800. It features a gray exterior and is powered by a 351M V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and starts up easily, running smoothly without any ticking or knocking noises. Although the truck runs and drives, the current owner recommends trailering it for now, as they have not personally taken it on any long trips. The steering is reported to be a bit sloppy, so some attention may be needed before it's ready for regular road use. For its age, this F250 has very minimal rust. The most noticeable areas are the floor pans, but the sale includes brand new replacement pans ready for installation. There's also a small pinhole in one of the wheel wells and some typical surface rust, which is to be expected on a truck of this vintage. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, giving it a bold, period-correct look. Powered by a small block Chevy 350 engine, the truck does run, although the automatic transmission is currently bad and will need repair or replacement. Originally from Arizona, the body is fairly clean overall, with minimal rust in the lower areas. However, the hood shows a typical crease, and some wear is present, as expected from a vehicle of this age. This particular model is a one-year-only version with unique mustard-colored trim, making it a rare and desirable base for restoration or a hot rod project. The truck comes equipped with factory power windows and locks, air conditioning and heating, cruise control, and a tilt steering column. The headliner and interior trim are intact, and it features dual fuel tanks. Number 10. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,000, clean and well-maintained classic pickup that combines vintage style with reliable performance. It features a bold blue exterior matched with a blue interior, giving it a striking, period-correct appearance. Under the hood, it's equipped with a powerful 454 V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and a smooth driving experience. This particular model is rear-wheel drive and is completely rust-free, making it an excellent example of a dry, well-preserved truck. The Silverado runs and drives well, with the drivetrain functioning as it should, ready to be enjoyed immediately or taken to the next level with light restoration or customization.